Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharp Skill. Today we are diving into a topic that can give your website sleek and modern touch. We are talking about creating a sticky header or section in WordPress. Stick around because I will guide you through the whole process step by step. Let's get started. But first, why might you want a sticky header? Well, a sticky header stays at the top of your page as users scroll down. It keeps essential navigation links accessible, making the user experience seamless. It's a small detail that can make a big impact on your website usability. Let me show you one example. Like go to this page and but it is not showing here. Let me open this page into this window. Like when I although another header appears on scroll and but this header is sticky. So how to do that? So go to the page and go to this header section, and it is very simple, and go to the advanced tab and go to the motion effects and just turn this sticky as a top, and it is now sticky. But let me show you. If it is selected as none, you see it is gone, but I want it sticky at the top. Click on update, and you can also make your section sticky too. We see sticky section on the website, but mostly they are like sidebars are just for are just on portfolio website, and but here I have no like sidebars, but I want to show you how to make a section as sticky. So for that, go to the section. It is same like as this section. Go to the motion effects and you see this option. If you want it sticky at the top, click here at the top, and if you want it at bottom, click bottom. But I do not want this section as sticky because we have other content below this section, so I will go with sticky as none. But sometimes we we see the issue that some of the themes, WordPress theme, does not have options for sticky headers, but in Elementor it is so easy to do that. If you do not want to do that with Elementor, do not worry. There's a plugin for almost everything in WordPress. There are several plugins specially designed to make headers sticky, and in the next tutorial I will show you a plugin that is used to create a sticky header or sections. And there you have it, whether you prefer using a plugin or just with Elementor. You now know how to create a sticky header in WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you would like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.